everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I am so excited today because I have a new box to the channel and it is a Look Fantastic box. You guys see me do the glossy box. This is kind of related to that, and this box was sent to me for review. So let's get in here and see what I've got. So this is the first time that I've had this box on the channel, and it's their birthday box. So I don't know, feels a little special. And I want to tell you a little bit about it because it's new here and they have given me a fantastic discount code for you guys. I am not an affiliate. I'm not getting commission on this. It just lets them know that you guys are watching it, but they have given me such a great code and I want to glass up to tell you about this. So the box is normally $19 per month. If you buy a 3-month subscription, it takes it to $18 per month. And the first 20 people that sign up with my link below will get the first box free in a 3-month subscription. So basically you're going to pay for 2 months of your 3-month subscription. So you'll get 3 boxes for $36 when it's normally, if you just did month to month, $19 a month. That's just such a great deal. I was so excited to be able to pass that discount code on. Now, if you're not one of the first 20 people that signs up under my link, everybody after that will get 50% off the first box of a 3-month subscription. So that's a great deal too. But this is my first time with them and I am so excited to get in here, and I love that it's their birthday. I love my glossy box and you guys know that. And this box is very much like that one. It's a really nice sturdy box. It's going to be another good one to keep around and do storage in. When we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. It comes with our, oh, that's a really thick pamphlet. We're going to have to get into that in a minute and see what it tells us. That's a really nice booklet. And this is what the inside looks like. So let's just pull it back. Oh, I see good stuff in here. That's the inside. So let's check out this book and then dig right into this. So it tells us on the inside that this is the beauty edition and it's the September 2020 box and they are turning 6. It says our September box is full of amazing products from luxury cosmetics to cult favorite skincare. Okay, well, we're not going to read ahead anymore. Oh, and then we have really good detail about the things that are in here. We'll try and get past that. We don't want to cheat. And then it tells you, I think, about other things they sell on the site. It always tells me with my glossy box that if you earn points, like by referring people or that kind of thing, it says that you can spend your points toward products on the Look Fantastic site. So they must have a really nice store. I'll have to go over and check that out. I haven't done that. Oh, and the back page is a sneak peek. It says Beauty Box September Sneak Peek. In next month's box, we will get a travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm. And it says it combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E, it glides onto the lips effortlessly whilst providing a subtle shine, perfect for on-the-go nourishment. I have always wanted to try a By Terry product, so that's awesome. Okay, I guess we should get into the box we actually have in front of us now that we've sneak peeked next month's. All right, reaching in, and it's right on top, we have a Luxie brush. If you watch the channel, you know I love brushes, and B, I love Luxie brushes. It is one of the pink handled. I have a whole set of these. They are gorgeous. I don't think that I have, this is the number 209 large shader. I don't think I have a large shader. I think I have a smaller, narrower one, but yeah, I just love the softness of the Luxie brushes. So that will get a lot of use. Let's see what they tell us. You guys are going to crack up when I show you what is sharing the page with this Luxie brush. I'm not going to spoil it. 209 large shader worth 15 pounds. So I will do the math at the end of this and tell you the overall box value with pounds, but this is 15 pounds. And this says, suitable for use with both cream and powder eyeshadows, this soft synthetic Luxie eye brush will be a great addition to your beauty toolkit. I agree. Since I know it's on the page, reaching in next, you guys, I have a Brushworks Jade Roller. I love Jade Rollers. You guys know I have made my gua sha video. I have not put it up yet. This is probably my 4th Jade Roller. Now, in all fairness, I am giving them out to family and friends because I truly believe everybody needs one. Oh, I might have to keep this one. I truly believe everybody needs these. I think that, like, when you use a sheet mask, if you do it, or when I put up my gua sha video, you'll know that if you move up and out, the lymphatic drainage, it's so good for depuffing your face. But that is what this one looks like. And the reason I said I might have to keep it is it's super dark. Mine are not this dark, so it looks really different. And I think part of the beauty of them is just how pretty they are. And this is so pretty. And the paperwork says Brushworks Jade Roller, £9.99. I think that is interesting. I mean, that would make it not $15 American. And that is a really nicely priced Jade Roller. Something else I just noticed is I was looking at it from the side and see, they have put a sleeve. It's like a plastic sleeve on the inside, and it rolls so smoothly. Yeah, I might need to keep another one. To really take your skincare regimen to the next level, this Brushworks facial roller is exactly what you need. Working to alleviate puffiness and tension in the face, this tool is great for massaging your favorite serums, moisturizers, and face masks into the skin. That is all very true. I think everybody should have one of these. All right, reaching in next, I have an Elemus Beyond Powder Highlighter in OMG. That is what the box looks like. Now I feel so self-conscious about that. Some people have said below that I say, and that is what that looks like, and that if I ever do merch, that's what I should put on the merch. And that's what that looks like. And that is what that looks like. Let's give this a swatch. I love highlighters. It's really nice and subtle. I like that. It's got a little bit of a gold tone to it. Let's go right over that again, because in theory it's, oh yeah, it's buildable. See, that is so pretty. I like that it's like subtle and then bling when the light hits it. I like that. Let's see what the paperwork says, which will be on the back of my merch. Not doing merch. The Elemus Mini OMG Highlighter worth £10. Or it could have been a variation. You could have received the Balm's Mary Luminizer, and that is worth £8. Get an enviable glow with these gorgeous highlighters, both of which are shimmering champagne hues to complement your complexion. Perfect for illuminating the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow. All right, reaching in next, we have a pencil. It is a Diego Dalla Palma number 80 lip pencil. Matita Labra. There are words on here I do not know. I don't know that brand, so we're going to give that a swatch and see if it's creamy. It's a sharpenable pencil. I love the color. You guys know that is right up my alley with a cool mauve tone. When you start it out, it is a little waxy, but it creams right up, and that color is insanely perfect for me. I mean, that's what I wear. That color is perfection for me. Mini lip pencil, shade 80, antique pink. That's what I am. I'm antique pink. Worth £9.32. This Diego Dalla Palma lip pencil has a precise tip to really define the lips and a strong color payoff. When blended all over the lips, the matte finish will last for hours. Very nice. That's just completely usable and me. That's very exciting. Reaching in next, I do not know this brand either, Espa Natural Beauty Inner Calm Pink Hair and Scalp Mud. Hair and Scalp Mud? Intensive treatment mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. That's what that looks like. And let's see what the paperwork says. Espa Pink Hair and Scalp Mud 30 ml Micellar Cleanser 50. Oh, so you could have gotten a micellar cleanser instead of the scalp mud. I'm kind of happy I got the scalp mud because I am intrigued. Either one of them was worth £5.10. These Espa products are sure to help you feel revived and refreshed. The Espa Pink Hair and Scalp Mud is a rich hair treatment that works to deeply condition to leave you with silky, soft locks. And it says you massage it into your scalp through damp hair, leave on for 20 minutes, then rinse. Well, we are definitely trying this. I mean, a pink mud on your scalp, that's pretty cool, but I will do anything that might help my hair. That's what it looks like on my hand. Let's see what it looks like when you, don't think super muddy. It's not. When you start smearing it out, can you guys tell? It's creamy. It's super, see how it's got shine to it? It's not like, I was thinking like the Sand and Sky pink mud masks for your face. Yeah, this is closer. This is like a face moisturizer. That's what it feels like on my hand. It feels like a face moisturizer, not a mud mask. Oh, it's very clean and nice. I would love my hair to smell like this. I like that. Okay. I feel way better now that I know that it's not one of those mud masks that, you know, kind of dries down and would make you tight. I tell you what, I just went to wipe that off and it took off the highlighter with no problem, but see, it's got that little line of that lippy that I just, even after I've a couple of times. So that's good. It must have some staying power. Next we have a Look Fantastic beauty box. I'm guessing a pop socket. That is so cool. You know what? I love that it's subtle and black. I will probably use this. I have one on my phone, but it's very springy, so this will be nice. And I've looked through the book and it's not mentioned in the book, so it just must be one of those little extras that they give us. But that is a really neat little extra, and I will happily use that. Reaching in, last but not least, and I can't even pretend like I'm not excited. This is the Elemus Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it is the 1/2 ounce. I love this. I am just, I mean, either today or tomorrow, I am finishing one of these up. I am so happy to receive another. I'm actually going to try a couple of other things between now and when I use this, but I love to have, I know that my face loves this, so I love to have this Pro Collagen Marine Cream around, or my Drunk Elephant Lala Retro, because I know that my face is happy with both of them. So when I go off and try, like, I don't know if you saw, I think it was my Ipsy Ultimate last month. I got a Peo moisturizer. I'm going to try that next, but if for some reason my face doesn't like it, I will be running back to this. And this more than pays for your box. It says Elemus Pro Collagen Marine Cream, worth 30 pounds. I think even the 1/2 ounce is close to a $40 value in the US. Like I said, I will put the value of the box at the end of this, but this Elemus Anti-Aging Cream uses the maximum concentrate of Padina povanca, a powerful marine extract, to completely transform your skin. Its antioxidant properties improve collagen production to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Despite having just thrown it down, I really like it. And you guys know, I am super duper sensitive and my face is very happy with this. So if you have sensitive skin, this is one of the products I can highly recommend. All right, so that is it for my first Look Fantastic box. I'm just looking through here to be sure I didn't miss anything. And I like it a lot. Like I said, it's $19 if you do it month to month. If you buy it in 3-month subscriptions, it goes down to $18 a month. And if you do that and you're one of my first 20 subscribers to sign up, you will get your first month of that subscription free. So you will get 3 boxes for $36. And then after that, ad infinitum, whoever else signs up will get 50% off their first box. So that's a great deal, and I like this box. Let me know below, because I know it's new to the channel. What do you guys think? So we got a nice Jade Roller, you guys know. I'm super excited, and this is darker than any of mine. It's very dark. I like it. I think I have to keep it. We get the Luxy Large Shader. Always can use more brushes. We have the Espa Pink Hair and Scalp Mud. Cannot wait to try that. I have the Elemus Highlighter, the Diego Dalla Palma Lip Liner, the Elemus Pro Collagen Marine Cream, 1/2 ounce, and a pop socket. I'm getting ready to say something that I get to say very, very seldom. I'm keeping everything in this box. I'm using everything in this box. I feel like I should have been waiting for this moment all along. I should have been prepared, and I should have some kind of little like confetti to throw or something. I mean, I can use the whole box. It's very exciting. All right, thanks for coming by, guys. I really hope you like this box. Like I said, it's new to the channel, and as you can imagine, being able to use everything in it, I love the heck out of it. Let me know below what you guys think. Please like. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you don't already subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Have a great day, guys.